Are you looking for the best wheel and tire racks in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best wheel and tire racks that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the editor's pick. HyLoft Multi-Tire Storage System. This tire and wheel storage rack from HyLoft makes our editor's pick designation easily because it does virtually everything a good tire and wheel storage rack should do at a great price. Adjustable in width between 36 and 48 inches, it provides plenty of space for even wider tires common on performance cars and show trucks. Durable finishes and solid steel construction ensure a lifetime of use, and the rack mounts to your garage wall with ease, whether into wall studs or cider blocks. The HyLoft multi-tire storage system can hold up to 375 pounds and includes mounting hardware. Reviews are generally positive, and most owners report satisfaction with the price, as well as this rack's ability to store tires up and off of the ground while preserving floor space. You get what you pay for though, and some reviews complain of missing hardware or damaged paint right out of the box. Inspect the package fully when it arrives. Up next in the 4th place is the Kurgo Seasonal Tire Tote. This flexible product from Kurgo has numerous benefits in addition to its affordability. The 4-pack of tire totes provides a special solution for protecting your seasonal tires and wheels, keeping their storage area clean, providing a cleaner and tidier look for your garage, and protecting the area where you store your seasonal tires. ULL protect your car or truck from dirt, mud, and debris when transporting your tires and wheels. 2. Tire totes simply slip over the wheel and tire, with sizes available for a variety of applications. There's a lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. Pricing is reasonable, and reviews are generally good. Built-in handles make it easy to move your tires and wheels around easily when it's time to load them into your vehicle for reinstallation at the tire shop. Best of all, slipping your off-season tires into the Kurgo tire totes before storing them on a tire rack or dolly adds protection and cleans up the look of your garage. The 3rd product on our list is the Zhongdao Tire Taxi. This do-it-all product might be the ultimate tire storage solution for smaller garage spaces and do-it-yourselfers. The Tire Taxi features a maximum load of 265 pounds, sufficient to hold about 5 tire and wheel assemblies or 8 tires. Heavy-duty rolling casters allow for easy transport of the tires and wheels around your garage, and a single locking caster can be engaged to hold the Tire Taxi stationary once it's moved into place. Bring the Tire Taxi to your car, remove its tires and wheels, stack them up, and easily slide them into a corner, under a workbench, or wherever else there's room. When it's time to switch back, simply wheel the Tire Taxi back to your vehicle to minimize lifting and carrying. Tires are kept off of the garage floor, minimal space is used, lifting and carrying are minimized, and efficiency is enhanced. Users say the product functions as intended and is well made, though you can't tie the tires down securely, so make sure they are well balanced when stacked. 2nd on our list is the adjustable tire display stands. Here's a unique option for the enthusiast who really loves their wheels. Designed to store off-season wheels and tires while simultaneously displaying them for all to see, these all-plastic tire stands make a great gift idea and fit tires from 6 to 12 inches wide. They'll still take up floor or shelf space, but your summer wheels will be displayed beautifully. Haven't got a garage? Consider cleaning up your beloved wheels and storing them on these stands in your office or living room, where they'll blend in nicely with any automotive-themed decor. These tire and wheel display stands won't rust, require no tools or installation, and are equal parts style and functionality. Finally, the top product on our list is the Edsal Industrial Tire Rack. ideal for enthusiasts, families, or anyone who needs to store multiple sets of tires and wheels in their off-season. The Edsal industrial tire rack features a 1,000-pound capacity per level, and the size and strength to be a go-to tire storage solution for bigger applications. The shelf is 12 inches deep and 84 inches tall, so you'll need plenty of room in your garage or shed. If space isn't an issue, you'll be able to store up to 24 tires and wheels on this heavy-duty product. Special hardware enables quick assembly with a rubber mallet, and shelf height can be adjusted during assembly. Owner reviews are generally positive, with many users reporting that the shelf is stable and secure, even without being attached to a wall. Some owners have reported damaged or bent steel beams upon arrival, so inspect the package carefully. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.